Hey everyone, I'm about to teach you guys 5 tricks you guys can learn right off the bat. As soon as you get a skateboard in your hand, these guys are easy, but the more you practice them, the better you're gonna get with them. Let's go. Trick number 1 is how to pop your board up to your foot and catch it in your hand, just like this. Push the board down and pop it, you kind of get this own little snap motion. As I push down, I want to kind of scoop back and let that pop release to my foot. Oh. Alright, second trick guys is a gyro spin, also known as the whirly bird. It's easily done. You're just spinning on your axis, just like this. Let's get it done. When trying this trick, you really want to just be on your axles and spinning. Easy way to practice this is go fakie first and just practice your turns. Alright, trick number 3 guys, easy way to get flips into your vocabulary for tricks is called an old school kickflip, just like this. While on the board, just release your feet to the side, grab the side of your board, flip it back to its wheels, and jump back on. Alright guys, 4th trick you guys are going to learn that makes it easy is a space walk. Check this out. Let's get into it. The idea of spacing it like this is to get a balance to where you can do something like this. Then you can move it forward or backwards. Bonus tip, this can also be applied to getting yourself up your first sidewalks, just like this. Alright guys, number 5, one of my favorite all time, the V Kickout shove it. It's pretty simple. You just get on the board and kind of just shove it out. Alright, the tip on this is I typically do this trick fakie. Whether I get back to regular or fakie, doesn't matter, just jump back on. But you just want to kind of push your body like this and then release the shove it. What I'm going to try to do is get all 5 of these easy tricks into one run so you guys can enjoy it. See how it's used in everyday life. If you have any suggestions, any other ideas you want to see, let us know in the comments below. That's how you get it done here at the Ranger Skate Academy. You guys enjoy those new 5 easy tricks you guys have just learned, and please use them anywhere you can. Stay blessed. See you next time.